Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to active or enable ultimate performance into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. So what you can do, just simply come over into your search option, and from here you just need to type control panel. Here is the control panel. So if you click on that, there will be all control panel items will be shown. If in your interface it's not showing like this, just simply come over into view by and click on large icons, and those will looks like this over here. After that, you just need to go for power options, click on that, and from here you can check or click preferred plans. If you using balanced, then come over into this ultimate performance, check it, and that's it. Restart your PC right now and you activated the ultimate performance is enabled into your computer. So this is how you can active ultimate performance into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.